Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's problem is 2491 and problem statement is divide player into teams of equal skills. So in this problem we have given a skills array of even length n, and skills I denote the skill of ith player, and we have to divide the players into n divided by 2 teams of size 2, such that total skill of each team is equal and the chemistry of the team is equal to the product of skills of player on that team. We have to return the chemistry of all teams or return -1 if we can't, if it is not possible. Consider this example. We have 6 players, and we can divide 6 player into 3 teams of size 2, and each team has a total sum of 6. So consider first example. We have given skills of players 3, 2, 5, 1, 3, and 4, and the total sum of the skills is 18, and we have to divide it into 3 teams, right? Total number of players are 6, and we have to divide it into 6 divided by 2, which is 3 teams. If the teams are divided in 3, so each team must have skill equal to 6. We got 6 by dividing total skill by number of teams. Now we got the total sum. It is total sum of skills. Now what we have to find is the pairs of players we have to put in a team, right? We can find them by sorting the array. uh, we can pair the largest number with the smallest number, and if suppose here is 2, and we got the, if the sum is not equal to 6, we can simply return minus in that case. Now the another approach is we can save the count of the number of players which have same skills. So we can do so by creating a map of player and skill count. In this case we can loop through each player and find the partner player in this map, and if we can't find that partner, we can simply return -1 in this case also. Now let's put this all into our code. So first variable we have to create is total sum, which will be the sum of skills each player have. So we will loop through each skill and add it to our total sum. We can also keep count of total skills side by side by creating a map here, but the constraint for skill is too low, so we can create an integer here to store the frequency of each player, right? Skills of each player. So the largest skill we can have is 1000, so we have created an array which can store 1001 elements, right? So we can also update the frequency of each player here. Now first thing we have to check is if total sum can be evenly divided into each team. We can do so by taking modulus of total length of skill divided by 2. If it is not equal to 0, we can say that it is cannot be divided into n divided by 2 teams. So we can simply return -2 here, -1 here. Now we will create a variable called target skill. Target skill is the total skill for a team, right? So target, how can we get a target skill? Target skill equal to total sum divided by n divided by 2, right? Skill dot length divided by 2, which we have discussed earlier. Total sum is this, and 3 is n divided by 2, which is this. So this is n divided by 2, and this is total sum which we have calculated. Now we will loop through each player and find a partner for him. Player skill and find a partner for this. Firstly, we have to check that if we have find a partner for this player earlier, right? So we have to create a check here. If player skill equal to 0, this means that we have already found a partner for this and we have to continue to the another player. Now if we have not found a partner, we have to simply decrement its count. Then we have to calculate the partner skill, and we can calculate it by uh, subtracting player skill from target skill. Now we had found the partner skill. Now we have to check if frequency contains the partner skill. If the count of partner skill in frequency is equal to 0, we have to return -1. In that case, we cannot find the partner for this player. We have to return -1 from here. Now we have to calculate chemistry here. Chemistry is equal to the product of skills of player on that team, right? So we have to create a variable chemistry here, which is initially 0, and chemistry is equal to partner skill into player skill, and we have to find sum for all the teams, right? So here we have to decrement the partner skill also. Now we can simply return chemistry from here. And now let's test our code for the sample test cases. As we can see, it is working fine. Now let's submit it and check if it is working. As we can see, it is working fine. Thanks for watching.